should take it slow. When you'd give me all your love, then I'd give you all my time. Together we can own the night. Together we can let's make the sunshine bash. Come let the water splash. Makes me feel so fine. Together we can
Well, there's most of my commute home from the Wellness Center, Earth Body Wellness Center in Southeast Portland at 38th and Southeast Belmont, to my commute back home to Milwaukee. And I do that on my Quali Sport Volador.
Here with the Quali Sports Nemo. This is a brand new 16-inch ultra compact folding e-bike, and we're really excited about this bike. We're very excited to work with this brand. Currently we have the Nemo, the Dolphin, which is a 20-inch folding bike, and the Beluga, which is a 20-inch folding fat bike that we're also really excited about. And just off the bat, I just picked this up and brought it over here. It was surprisingly light. Got these two straps here. This one's a white one, it looks like. One box here, probably charger and manual and whatnot. We'll take a look at that in a little bit. Some extra cardboard for reinforcement. Alright, so here we are with the Nemo fully built up. It's got metal fenders that come in the box, so we've added those on. It's got a tail light right under the seat here. It's got a integrated front headlight that bolts on right here. And overall, it's just super compact and portable and lightweight. It's a 16-inch platform, so it's one order of magnitude smaller than your typical Dayhan 20-inch style bike, so it's really compact, very easy to fold up. We have a tutorial at the end of the video that will show you how to properly fold it and stash it away. So yeah, it's so easy to manage, very easy to mount. It's low to the ground, so for anybody you can just hop right on, and it just makes it really easy. It's got disc brakes, which is really nice. It's single speed, so maintenance-wise, it couldn't be any easier. There's no gears, and the power's quite decent. It's a 250 watt MX US hub in the front with a 36 volt Samsung battery in the seat post. And even with just the single speed setup, you can get going up hills, steep hills, doing longer distances really easy. This is the white finish. It comes in a few different colors, red, black, I believe, and silver. And overall, just really impressed with the package. The overall fit and finish is really nice. It's got a modular stem here, so you can adjust it for taller riders or shorter riders. And the seat post has quite a bit of up and down adjustability as well. With the little hub motor in the front and the battery a little bit towards the rear, overall it's really balanced from front to back, and when you ride it, it feels really stable. Yeah, we love this bike. We're a big fan of the compact form factor, and this should be really easy for anybody to just stash away. So now we're gonna have a little folding tutorial with John from our Kapolei store.
Aloha, this is John with the e-bikes Hawaii. Today I'm going to show you how to fold this Nemo folding bike without any efforts. First thing you want to do is minimize the size to bring down the stem and lock it, and undo the handlebar, clamp right there. Turn the handlebar in a way where the brake lever is facing up and lock it. Next, we can do folding the pedal. And of course, kickstand can go up. And there is a clamp safety ring. You just turn them like that. So bring this one down. See that so far? And you can bring this seat post, which is also battery pack at the same time, all the way down to the ground. So it'll work as sort of a leg. And now only thing you have left is this safety pin. Bring it up and unlatch it. Make sure the pedal is on, I should say, one moment, a 6 o'clock position, and bring the whole frame together. Voila, that's it. How simple that is. Now, all you got to do is lift it up, which is pretty minimal weight. And I already have one black Nemo here in the back. You can just put side by side. Just push the button. You're ready to go.
So yeah, definitely come down, check it out. The Nemo by Quali Sports. It's also the most affordable e-bike in our lineup at $1,200, so the price point's really good and can definitely be a useful tool for around town or whatever your transportation needs are. Thanks for watching.
Jupiter bikes are an emerging brand of stylish outdoor recreation equipment for the masses. Getting people, all people, outdoors is our mission. Jupiter Bike wants to give people the opportunity to enjoy the outdoors by offering bikes that fit your life. We feel like our high quality, excellent customer service, and great price are the perfect fit for your organization to take on our new line of Jupiter bikes in this growing market segment. Everyone can benefit from the versatility of our bikes. Foldable, portable, and the electric pedal assist that can be turned off or turned up are some of the many features our Jupiter bikes provide. Attractive and fun, Jupiter bikes makes riding more convenient and enjoyable. We developed a line of e-bikes that offers affordability, compactness, and the riding features that fit anyone's lifestyle. Hi, my name is Jim Stevens. I'm your account executive. Let's go check in with Rob, our president. See you soon. Hey, Rob.
Hey, Jim. Hey, I'm Rob Daniels, president of Jupiter Bike. I'm going to tell you a little bit about our electric bikes. Customers want a high-quality electric bike at a reasonable price, and that's exactly what our Discovery gives them. With 3 levels of pedal assist and high-end materials used throughout, this is a great leisure option for your customers. Also have the Defiant, which is our new fat tire e-bike. This one rides more like an ATV. The 4-inch fat tires will go over practically anything with a max speed of 20 miles an hour on throttle alone and 5 levels of pedal assist. This is a great option for your customers too. Let's all partner together to bring people back outdoors. Thank you.
Thank you.
Your first ride video on the Tahoe or the Newport to understand it, or the pedal assist video, which will be coming out soon. The second section you should be aware of on the display is this bottom section. You'll notice that the bottom section has 3 different settings. You have the trip meter here, which will tell you how far you've been on your trip. Tap set, and you can go see how long you've been riding. And tap set a 3rd time, and you'll see the total miles on the bike there, the odometer. Right above that, you'll notice this thing that looks like a battery. It has little squares in it. As you use power, the black squares will turn clear, and that's how you can tell how much power is left in the battery. To the left of it, you'll see this number, 52.5. That's how many volts are in the battery right now. Right above it, it says BMS. That stands for Battery Management System. Doesn't really mean anything. Right above that, you'll notice here, it says miles per hour. That's how you can tell how fast you're going. And just to the left of that, you'll see power, normal, and eco. Those are the modes that the bike can be put into. And there's a little checkbox to the right side you'll see that indicates the power that the mode that the bike is in. So the power mode, the bike accelerates as hard as it can. It's good for going up hills or, you know, against the wind, stuff like that. Normal, the bike doesn't accelerate quite as hard. And eco mode will save your battery and give you the most range. The bike will accelerate about half as hard, but it'll still get close to the top speed. Maybe not all the way up there, but pretty close to the top speed. The last thing is this little black dot to the left of eco. You'll notice as you accelerate on the bike and you're under power, this will show you, it's a display of how much power you're using when you're riding down the road. The next thing I want to show you is the setting modes. There's several different settings that you can change in the bike. You can set the power level, you can set like a governor for the top speed, and you can set miles per hour and kilometer per hour. The way you do that is you hold down the set button for about 2 or 3 seconds, and it brings you in. The first mode is the setting mode 0. And to go through the setting modes, all you have to do is just tap the set button and it'll scroll through them. So we're on setting mode 0. That's where you set power, normal, or eco as far as the bike goes. You can hit the minus button or the plus button to adjust that value. Tap set a 2nd time. This is where you reset your trip meter. You want to just tap the minus button and that will reset the trip meter to 0. The 3rd one is the governor or the top speed. Right now we just have it at the full speed, but you can hit the minus button if you want to go down. Say your nephew's going to ride the bike and you want to slow him down a little bit. Although the kids are a lot better with this kind of stuff than adults are these days. They'll probably figure it out. But anyway, So that's the top speed. Setting 3 is the wheel size. You don't have to worry about that because you won't ever be changing it. Setting 4 is where you can put the bike, set it for miles per hour. If you want to go Euro on it, you can set it to kilometers per hour. And to get back out of the setting mode, you just hold down the setting button for a couple of seconds and it brings you back out. There's also something else you should be aware of. There's a USB port that's right underneath the display here, and that has to be turned on. The way you turn that on, if you want to use it, the way you turn it on is you hold down the set and the plus button together for about 2 or 3 seconds, and you'll notice this little icon turns on, showing you that it's on. To turn it off, you just do the same thing, or you can just cycle the power on the display either way. The last thing I want to tell you about that you really should be aware of is that this bike has what's called a walk mode. It's for people who might want to walk up a steep hill with the bike because they don't feel like riding up the hill. So if you hold down the minus key for a few seconds, the bike will go into walk mode and it'll take off on you. So just be aware of that. If you're changing settings and stuff like that, always just tap the minus key. Don't ever hold it down for 2 or 3 seconds. Otherwise, you're going to put the bike into the walk mode. Well, that about covers it all. I hope this has been helpful and I hope you enjoy your bike. For more information or to view our entire line of e-bikes, you can visit our website at www.eluxbikes.com, or you can give us a call at 949-440-1967.